Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about the Files tab. When you're on the landing page, which is what you see when you first log into the site, if you go over to the left side along this toolbar, you can access the Files tab by clicking on Files. What this is going to do is it's going to open a spreadsheet where you can see all of the files that you have imported to your account. So some of the files are going to be from imported studies, which are studies that other users have created and you have imported from the library or that have been shared with you, and your files, which you can classify as private or public. By default, any participant recordings, such as videos or audio recordings, are going to be stored in this private folder, and all other files are going to be stored in the public folder. The cool thing about the Files tab is the different things you can do just by right-clicking on your files. So these folders for the studies and just for the files in general are called directories. So when I right-click on a directory, I get this little window where I can create a new directory in that same main folder. I can rename this directory, delete it, download it, which means taking all the files and saving them to your local device. I can make the folder and files inside private, or I can make private files public. When you click on one of the directories, this is where you can see all of the files that have been used in that study. So I can click on all of these here. And when I select one of the files, I can also right-click on this row in the spreadsheet, and I can delete this file or rename it. You can also upload files from here, right from this files window, and when you upload these files, they'll get saved in whatever directory you've currently selected. So just looking at my files here, these are all the ones that I have uploaded. Right now they're not classified as private or public, they're just in my files folder. And these are all of the files that I've imported associated with this specific study. So the Files tab is super useful. This is where you can see, all of the files that you've uploaded. You can select them. You can check and make sure you've classified them correctly and keep all of your things organized. And again, this is from the landing page. You just go to this tab on the left and click Files. I hope this video was helpful.